Hello students, in 11th or 12th standard you know the arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, and you know the mean of arithmetic progression is the mean of first and last term. So using arithmetic progression we see one example for finding mean deviation and standard deviation. Now example, find the mean deviation from the mean and standard deviation of arithmetic progression a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d up to the a plus 2nd. So your arithmetic progression is a plus 2, a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 2nd. Now you know that mean of this progression is the average of first and last term. First term is a and last term is a plus 2n. Therefore x bar is equal to a plus 2n upon 2. A plus a means 2a. 2a plus 2n upon 2. You take here 2 common. Then 2 into a plus n upon 2. 2 get cancelled. Remaining is a plus n. Therefore, x bar is equal to a plus n. Now, this is the a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 2nd. This observation. Now, mean deviation from mean. Formula is mean deviation from mean is equal to 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation of mod of xi minus x bar. X bar is this a plus nd. And xi means xi is a, x1 is a, x2 is a plus d, and x3 is a plus 2d, and xn is a plus 2n. So you need xi minus x bar. And to find the standard deviation is equal to 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation of xi minus x bar square. So you need xi minus x bar square. Xi means x1, x2, x3 up to the xn. So we have table x minus x bar, x minus x bar square. What is x? X means xi, x1, x2, x3 and so on. First term a, second term a plus d, then third term a plus 2d, a plus 3d up to the a plus 2n minus 2d, means next term is a plus n, last term is a plus nd. So previous term of a plus nd is a plus n minus 1d, and previous of that is a plus n minus 2d. Second of a plus nd is a plus n plus 1d, a plus next term that a plus n plus 2d and so on. Last term is a plus nd. Previous of that is, this is not a plus nd, this is a plus 2nd. A plus 2nd. And previous of a plus 2nd is a plus 2n minus 1d. Then previous of that is a plus 2n minus 2d and so on. So first column is x minus x bar. So what is x? X is suppose here a minus a plus nd. So minus a plus a cancel. So remaining is nd. So x minus x bar is nd. Similarly, a plus d minus a plus minus plus minus nd. So here n minus 1d after calculation. Similarly, a plus 2d minus a plus nd. Therefore, is equal to n minus 2 into d and so on. A plus nd minus a plus nd means minus a minus nd. Cancel. So it is 0. A plus n plus 1d minus a plus nd is d. A plus n plus 2d minus a plus nd means, or a minus a minus nd means 2d. Similarly, here a plus 2n minus 2d minus a plus nd means 2n is equal to n minus 2d, and last a plus 2nd minus a plus nd, a cancel, 2nd minus nd means n. So this is the x minus x bar. Again you need x minus x bar square. So n square d square, n minus 1 square d square, square up this column, n minus 2 square d square, then 2 square d square, 0 square, here d square, 2 square d square up to the n minus 2 square d square, n minus 1 square d square, n square d square. So you have x minus x bar square. So mean deviation from mean is equal to 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation of mod of xi minus a. A means here x bar. So instead of x bar, you can take median mode also. Here 1 upon 2n plus 1. So summation of first column this. So you remember this d, 2d, d common. Then 1 plus d plus up to the n. So 2 times again here. So 2 times this. So 1 upon 2n plus 1 into 2 times you take d common of this. So remaining is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to the n. And you know that sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 is n into n plus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2n plus 1, 2d into n plus 1 upon 2, 2 to get cancelled. So remaining is n into n plus 1 into d upon 2n plus 1. So this is the mean derivation from mean of given arithmetic progression. Similarly, standard deviation is equal to 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation of xi minus x bar square. So you have this second column. Again 2 times d square, 2 square d square, n minus 2 square d square up to the n square d square. So you take d square common, 1 upon 2n plus 1, 2 times d square common. So remaining is here 1 square into 1 d square. Here again 1 square into d square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus n minus 2 square plus n minus 1 square plus n square. And you know that sum of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to the n square is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. Therefore 1 upon 2n plus 1 into 2 into d square into this. So 2 upon 6 means 1 upon 3. So 2n plus 1 this cancel, this factor. Then n into n plus 1 into d square upon 3. So standard deviation of given arithmetic progression is n into n plus 1 into d square upon 3. So in this way we have the mean deviation from the mean and standard deviation of the arithmetic progression of a plus d, a plus 2d up to the a plus 2ab. Again we see one more example. Next example. Prove that in any discrete distribution, standard deviation is not less than the mean deviation from mean. Solution. In any discrete distribution, you have to prove that standard deviation is not less than the mean deviation from mean. Let xi by fi, I is going from 1, 2, 3 up to the n, be any discrete distribution. Now you have to prove that standard deviation is not less than the mean deviation from mean. We have to prove that standard deviation is not less than, this is less than, and this symbol means is not less than mean deviation from mean. From mean means x bar. Now standard deviation is not less than the mean deviation from mean. So this implies square of standard deviation is also not less than the mean deviation from mean. Is not less than mean deviation from mean. Now you know that square of standard deviation means variance, sigma square, is not less than the mean deviation from mean and its square. So this means, so standard deviation square means variance, 1 upon n summation of fi into xi minus x bar square. I is going from here 1 to n, and is not less than the mean deviation from mean means summation of fi into mean deviation from mean and its square. Fi into mod of xi minus x bar. I is going from 1 to n and its square. Now standard deviation is not less than mean deviation from means. It is not less than means it is greater than. So you can write here, it is not less than means standard deviation square is greater than or equal to. Equal to not less than means greater than or equal to mean deviation from mean and its square. Standard deviation square means variance, means this formula, and here greater than or equal to. Isn't it? Now you put mod of xi minus x bar is equal to, suppose, zhi, small zhi, then this becomes 1 upon n summation of fi into xi minus x bar square, I is going from 1 to n, is greater than or equal to summation of fi into, this is the zi, I is going from 1 to n, xi minus x bar is this. So this square. So this implies 1 upon n summation of fi into xi minus. What is xi minus x bar? This is positiveness. Means again here z. Fi into here xi minus x bar means z. And this is the zi square. So 1 upon n summation of fi into zi square is greater than or equal to summation of fi into zi, I is going from 1 to n square. Or you take this term left side is equal to, or I will write here, and we have to prove that 1 upon n summation of fi into zi square, I is going from 1 to n, Then you take this term left side minus summation of fi into zi. I is going from 1 to n whole square and is greater than or equal to 0. Or again, what is this? This is the 1 upon n summation of fi into zi minus z bar square. I is going from 1 to n is greater than or equal to 0. And directly from this, you know, 1 upon n summation of fi into xi square minus 1 upon n summation of, now here 1 upon n, 1 upon n summation of fi into zi square. So this is the variance of z. So this means this is the variance of z square. Now you know the different formula of variance. Xi is replaced by only zi. Variance of z square. It is greater than or equal to 0. And it is always true. So which is always true? Which is always true? Thus you conclude that in any discrete distribution, standard deviation is not less than the mean deviation from mean. So in this way, we have seen two examples. We stop here. Thank you.